Intel established in 1968 with Silicon Valley by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore. Intel initially focused on the memory chips. A major milestone came in 1971 with the introduction of the 4004 microprocessor, playing a vital role in the rise of personal computers. Intel owned processors including the 8086 and Pentium contributed significantly to the expansion of personal computers. Later, Intel re-entered the market mobile, powering early smartphones and tablets, while its chip became prevalent in IoT devices, evolving into the global tech giant. Intel became a key player influencing devices from laptops to data center servers. Committed on ongoing innovation, Intel continues to invest in research with a focus on cutting-edge technologies like quantum computing. Intel is a global technology firm specializing in microprocessor and chipset. Their product line include a variety of components like microprocessor, chipset, embedded processor, flash memory, and graphic. They sell this product to original equipment manufacturer (OEM), industrial producer, and original designer manufacturers for use in notebooks, tablets, server, and desktop. With a history of innovation, they play a crucial role in advancing memory technology. The company is a major player in the semiconductor industry, earning significant revenue from microprocessor sales, data center service, and Internet of Things or IoT solution. Operating globally, they have business activity in China, Singapore, and the US and Taiwan.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Amir Rafi bin Bakar and my metric number is 287032. Now, I will explain the definition of the intercorporation industry. So, what is the intercorporation? Is a leading manufacturer of microprocessor and chips used in the personal computers with the major technology companies like Dell, HP, and Lenovo, which utilizes its product. So, the company also manufactures the graphic cards, flash memory, motherboards components, and the artificial intelligence. So inter-unit approach allows it to control aspect of its material goods, unlike the other sector that rely on the external input. So as a silicon farm, Intel nurtures and hones its own silicon materials, resulting in various products that define various sector of the economy. So Intel success lies in its self-sufficient ecosystem which producing six threads in various industry. So next, I will explain about the tools that been used to describe this intercorporation industry. So Intel uses the advanced supply chain management software and the enterprise resource planning ERP system to ensure the real-time tracking and data integration in its operation. So it uses the RFID technology for real-time tracking and the inventory optimization and supplier relationship management, which is the SRM tools for effective communication and collaboration. Intel also employs inventory optimization software to balance the holding costs and mitigate stockouts. So the continuous improvement methodologies and Six Sigma tools are being used to analyze and enhance the inventory management processes. Intel inventory management approach combine the financial acumen, technology innovation, and strategic partnership to making it a leader in the semiconductor industry. This approach aligns with the Intel commitment to the operational excellence. Next, I will explain the key competitors of the Intel Corporation industry. So the Qualcomm Incorporated, Samsung Electronics, Nvidia Corporation, ARM Holding, and AMD are the major competitors in the semiconductor industry. AMD dominates in the personal computer and the server CPUs, while the Nvidia Corporation is known for its graphic processor units. Qualcomm Incorporated competes in mobile and wireless technology, while ARM Holdings offers the power saving and portable computer application. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company (TSMC) produces chips for the various technological businesses, including AMD. Samsung Electronics, with its expertise in memory and CPU production, competes with Intel in the electronic products and data centers. The success of the semiconductor firms depends on factors such as the technical breakthrough, production capacity, and consumer behavior.
The strengths of Intel. The first one is technology leadership. Dominant market share. Intel control a large portion of the microprocessor market for server and PCs, strengthening its expertise in defining the technology landscape. In addition, innovation made by Intel are Intel's continuous development of advanced technology, such as a hybrid CPU and a fabless technology, keep them ahead in competition and shaping the future of computing. The second one is market dominance. Intel's strong market position creates an economic moat, making it difficult for a new competitor to gain a foothold. Efficiency focus, such as developing the most energy efficient silicon solution, position Intel well in the era of increasingly interconnected devices. In addition, Intel's server chip proves dominates the data center, storing or processing information for various from an device, further strengthening their technology influence. Intel also has a good strategic alliance, such as the ongoing cooperation with Microsoft, the dominant desktop OS supplier, benefit both entities by leveraging each other's strengths and deterring competitors. The last one is operational efficiency. Intel advanced fabrication technique allow them to produce processors in a cost-effective manner, giving them a competitive advantage. Additionally, their extensive experience and years of prioritizing semiconductor fabrication have resulted in cost advantage that are difficult for others to replicate. In summary, Intel's strength lies in its dominant market position, technology leadership, strategic collaboration, and operational efficiency. These factors combine solidly their position as a major force in the technology industry. The weakness of Intel. The first one is disadvantages of real-time inventory visibility. The lack of Intel can be seen from the limited ability to monitor stock level accurately and in real time. It is led to inaccurate inventory data, preventing informed decision on the restocking, production, and resource allocation. Thus, it creates operational efficiency, overstocks, and stockout. The most obvious effect in that this makes Intel slow to respond to market change and user demand. Next one is reliance on stringent PC market. Intel over-relies on a market with declining growth, limiting overall expansion potential. The difficulty in investing in R&D for future technology due to unstable result make Intel vulnerable to external shock that affect the PC market, as well as efficiency profitability, diverting Intel attention from focusing on emerging markets such as AI, ML, and IoT. Overall, we can see that Intel lack of real-time inventory visibility and heavy reliance on the shrinking PC market are significant weaknesses that impact their operational efficiency, growth potential, and adaptability to new technologies.
Here are problems that Intel has suffered. Intel Corporation has experienced delay in the production of its next generation chip. According to a BBC report, the company has identified a defect in its manufacturing process that has led to the delay. So the production of Intel's next generation chips is now expected to be set back until 2022. So in addition, Intel has delayed the release of its forthcoming server chip, codenamed Granite Rapids, from 2023 to 2024. The delay in producing next generation chip could give a competitor a head start. So Intel's current generation chip are described as 10 nanometer chips, and its next generation would be 7 nanometer chips, while Intel's current generation 10 nanometer chips were delayed by more than 2 years. TSMC was shipping its equivalent 7 nanometer chips in bulk to a major customer such as Apple, AMD, Huawei, and Qualcomm One. Next problem is Intel's struggle with miniaturization. Intel faces difficulty keeping up with the pace of miniaturization, especially in transitioning to 7 nanometer chip and 5 nanometer chip processors, which is impact, lag, exposes weaknesses, make it challenging to push the limit of silicon. New nanometer phase require exponentially more research, knowledge, and manufacturing sophistication. So, Intel was slow to adapt to the significant changes required at 7 nanometer, resulting in delays and yield problem, which is impact competitors like TSMC and Samsung capitalize on this, becoming process technology leader. If Intel launching product later than competitor, it will risk ceding market share. So Intel's brand's image erodes and catching up becomes a priority to maintain a leadership. The shortfall in the new Intel chips outperforming those of competitor like AMD's Ryzen, however, only makes the problem worse. It seems now that all Intel can do is play catch up to recover its leadership role from underfoot. Intel's adherence to the old integrated device manufacturer, which is IDM model, faces challenges from fabless chip designer. So the industry dynamics are changing, and Intel might struggle to keep with agile foundry-driven innovation.
I will explain the problems suffered by Intel Corporation nowadays. So the Intel is facing the trouble in the market due to the technological issues, particularly in switching to the 10 nanometers chips. TSMC has excelled in manufacturing, while the NVIDIA leads in the machine learning algorithms. Intel plans to recover by investing in a 7 nanometers chip and expanding into the new areas like memory, networking, self-driving cars, and GPUs. Experts predict that next generation chips could help Intel to regain its foothold in the PC market. So, despite requiring significant capital, Intel remains a strong competitor. Next is the market competition landscape, whereby the Intel Corporation faces challenges in the CPU market with AMD and ARM-based solution, which is eroding its market share. So to maintain its dominance, Intel is diversifying into data centers, AI, and IoT, requiring the strategic partnership and innovative solutions. However, these areas are already crowded with established players like NVIDIA and Qualcomm Incorporated, so making it crucial for this Intel Corporation to establish a sustainable niche in the market nowadays.
Okay, current strategy and tools used in managing inventory. The first one is ABC analysis. Corporations such as Intel utilize ABC analysis to organize the inventory based on value. The goal is to determine which product contribute a great deal to income and a profit so that resource may be prioritized properly. The categorization is divided into three categories. That is A, the most valuable goods which contribute the most to income and profit. And category B, this issue are of modest relevant and have an average effect on the bottom line. And the category C, these are the lowest value item, making up quite a bit of the inventory. In summary, ABC analysis assists organizations such as Intel in efficiency managing resources, improve inventory control, and handling risk connected with important commodities. This allows a more effective and balanced inventory management method based on the value each item contributes the firm. The second one is Enterprise Resources Planning (ERP) system. Enterprise Resources Planning (ERP) system are now used to streamline and automate inventory management. These high-level ERP systems are an important height for Intel operation. They provide a multi-facet and real-time means to track inventory level as well as order purchase order. One of the advantages this ERP system provides is a single view of all inventory data for their entire organization on ERP system, give Intel the most leading edge in the terms of efficient and responsive inventory management practice as technology continue to evolve. And lastly is first in first out method FIFO. The first in first out method FIFO method is a technique used for managing available assets. It's involving selling, using, or disposing of assets in order which they were produced or accurate. The FIFO method offers a dependable approach for determining the cost of goods sold. An example of this is when corporations such as Intel utilize the FIFO approach to calculate the expenses associated with the raw materials utilized in their production process. Manufacturers can effectively minimize material waste, lower inventory hold costs, and uphold production quality by prioritizing the cost of the best supply by utilizing the prices cost computation. firm can enhance their pricing strategies and achieve maximum profitability. Thank you.
Demand forecasting. Intel needs to focus on predicting demand for its semiconductor or product to manage inventory effectively. This involves analyzing industry trends, consumer preference, and market dynamic, along with using historical sales data, engaging directly with customers like OEMs and system builder provide value insight. Integration of the advanced analytics, including machine learning, is crucial for accurate demand forecast. Treating demand forecast as an ongoing process that adapts to real-time change is essential. The main goal is to maintain the right inventory level, reducing shortage and excess stock, and improving the overall efficiency and responsiveness of the supply chain. Blockchain is revolutionizing the supply chain by enhancing efficiency and trust. The supply chain, with its intricate processes, face challenges like information silos and unreliable trust in traditional systems. Intel leveraging blockchain to normalize its global supply chain and ensuring transparency in chip manufacturing through auditable trails. Real-time visibility and risk mitigation are facilitated by blockchain, enabling proactive measures to address global issues. Intel also uses blockchain to track energy consumption and environmental impact, aligning with sustainability commitments and enhancing its brand reputation. JIT analysis, short form for just-in-time analysis, can be defined as a dynamic code optimization tool within Intel's comprehensive arsenal. This underscores Intel's dedicated commitment to JIT research and development, emphasizing the company's ongoing efforts to advance compiler technology and code optimization. This commitment ensures the continuous evolution of Intel-powered systems. A key aspect of JIT analysis is platform optimization, with guarantees optimized code execution across a range of the platform. Intel processors further enhance this optimization by incorporating hardware features designed to accelerate JIT compilation. Overall, JIT analysis stands as a testament to Intel's unwavering dedication to pushing the boundaries of performance and efficiency in the realm of code execution.
So I will explain the most applicable strategy in the Intel corporation industry. So this industry utilize the ERP system to streamline their inventory management in the semiconductor industry. So this system provide a unified view of the inventory data, which promoting the consistent management practices from sourcing to logistics. So the Intel ERP system perform exceptionally well in the inventory control, allowing the organization to monitor inventory throughout its life cycle. So they are also offering the extensive reporting and analysis capability, which enabling the industry to continuously improve its inventory management techniques. So Intel goals is to maintain the inventory management leadership by using the ERP system to ensure the effectiveness and the reactivity in their inventory management procedure. So next, Intel also use the first in, first out FIFO strategy to optimize the production planning for the semiconductor goods and components. So this method is ensure the components are used in their original sequence, which reducing the risk of the obsolete inventory. So this approach also is in identifying and resolving the quality concern, ensuring the superior product are being brought into the market. So moreover, Intel also can maintain the competitiveness by avoiding the obsolete inventory and meet the customer demand.
4.0 Recommendation 5.1 Implementation ways of the most applicable strategy, which is FIFO system, first in, first out. Implementing the FIFO system for managing store items that Intel will benefit is Intel can use the latest and best part, which is staying ahead in technology competition. Second, avoid the accumulation of worthless inventory. Third, assist in display accurate financial report. Fourth, support just-in-time inventory ordering for sustainability and cost management. Next is 4.2, the flow of implementation. First, Intel must have a clear strategy, which is set up clear strategy for FIFO implementation, which is we use a physical and technology solution. First, we can use date stamp items upon a receipt for tracking. Second, physical organization of inventory based on FIFO principle. Third, inventory tracking software for reporting. Fourth, regular audit to ensure alignment with the FIFO principle. 5, automation for notification on aging or excess stock. Last but not least, 4.3, which is improvement likely to Intel achieve after the implementation of FIFO system. First, preserving value, which is minimizing the risk of inventory devaluation and waste. Second, customer satisfaction, which Intel can foster trust and loyalty by delivering up-to-date product. Third is overall improvement, which is can enhance financial transparency. Fourth, navigating the market with the data-driven precision. Fifth, revolutionizing inventory management practices, which is can cultivate enduring trust and satisfaction among customers. Lastly is solidifying Intel's position as a leader in the technology market. As a conclusion, the implementation of well-defined FIFO system is presented as a transformative opportunity for Intel Corporation, which is offering benefit like I said above, and Intel's detailed plan outline the importance of a systematic approach, combining both physical and technical solution, and emphasize the potential positive impact on Intel's operation and market standing.